dude? You ready for this snow that we're supposed to be getting? Pram. This is our main sow that we have. She is due any day, so we're looking forward to her having her litter. See how many she'll have. This will be her second litter, so this will be the first litter she's had here on at our new place. So we always look forward to having new babies on the homestead. So yeah. This is the good stuff right here. I usually don't feed this alfalfa to the goats, which they love it and it's good for them, but I usually just feed them Bermuda. Just good hay. But I got the pigs in here with them. They're all together. The pigs won't touch the regular hay, so I have to feed the pigs alfalfa. So that's why everybody gets alfalfa for now. So you gonna help me with this table?
How are you still talking?
No.
You're not doing it.
I'll
You don't anymore?
It's working now. Me and Elizabeth got a new table, by the way. We're gonna refinish it. What? So today we are going to, me and Elizabeth, remove the popcorn off the ceiling. I've scraped popcorn before in our old house. I usually just use one of these drywall knives, but this time I got one of these popcorn ceiling scrapers, attached a little trash bag to it. I was gonna try it out, see how well it worked. So we plan on scraping it in here in the kitchen and in the dining room and this new little bathroom right here that we have, and possibly the next room over. I don't know if we'll be able to get to that today. This stuff has been painted, as you can tell. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it has been painted all through here. So that's gonna make it a little more difficult to get off. But we got one of these sprayers. We're gonna fill that dude up with water, soak it down, and get to scraping. So we also got some plastic to cover up everything. So we're gonna cover up the kitchen in here because we are still, we still cook in here. And we're not too worried about the floors, but I'm trying not to make a huge mess in here because this stuff gets messy. So, but yeah, so we're gonna try to cover up some stuff. So the scraper, it says it takes like 4-gallon trash bags, or maybe a little bit bigger. And it comes with these little black clips. I think you just clip them around here. Let me see. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I can already hear Bill saying, "That's the stupidest tool in the world." He said, "You gotta keep changing the bag out, blah, blah, blah." Yeah, I know, but we're gonna try it.
Start it up.
so far, quick update here. It's coming off fairly well. We're having to really soak it with the water, but I've been using this scraper with the little bag. It's kind of a pain, honestly. Probably wouldn't recommend it, and just use what Elizabeth's using, one of these little knife scrapers. But I'm trying to stay away from the mess, but as you can tell, we got mess. So at this point, we're like, whatever. We're just trying to get it off. We have gouged, or I've gouged some places just a little bit right here. I'm not too worried about it. That can be fixed later. But yeah, it's coming off pretty good. Once you get the right amount of water on it and let it set for a little bit, not very long, but just let it set, and it peels off pretty good. So,
Mama, Daddy.
you got snow in your hair.
Start it up. This is lit.
How's it coming, Mama?
New water.
A little more water. So, from your standpoint, how big of a headache is it? Is it too bad, or?
It's not bad.
Yeah.
For it to be painted, it's really not that bad.
Yeah, this was painted,
Did
so.
you hear like all the stories, like horror stories of painted, you know,
Yeah, popcorn.
and how awful it is? And it's really not that bad.
Yeah. So we're almost done with, we've got all this done. I don't know if y'all can see that on the camera there, but it's not perfect, but we got it all off, and it came off, actually, like Elizabeth said, fairly well. We have this little section right here in the entryway, and then we need to do, probably go ahead and do this bathroom in here. We also wanted to get this room done in here, but I don't think we'll have enough time today to do it. But so far,
We could do it,
do it today.
well, like maybe tomorrow or something.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we probably could do it tonight.
It
So
ain't painted, and so I think it'll.
yeah, so it probably will be better. But yeah, so an update on the scrapers. What Elizabeth's using is this little. Let me fix the lighting here.
Hyper tough scraper.
This little. It's actually like a tape knife for paint, but it's metal. You know, some people say use plastic ones. I have a plastic one somewhere here, right here. This one was kind of flimsy, so it didn't work as good. But this thing right here, the popcorn sealing scraper thing, you put the bag on there. It worked okay. I just didn't like it because you had to add new bags to it. You know. Yeah, it collects some of the stuff. It wouldn't get all of it in the bag, but that's the only thing. It's still messy. But so we decided just to use the regular scrapers, and
Metal's the way to go.
the metal scraper what Elizabeth's using instead of this thing. So, but as you can tell, it gets extremely messy. That's why we covered everything up. The right thing would have been probably is put this plastic on the floor, but we didn't do it, so that's fine. This floor, like I said, we're going to put new floor down, but we still will have to clean this up when we get done. But it's going good. If you're doing this for your house, I wouldn't be afraid to do it. Just do it. It's really not that bad. Just prep everything with paper, plastic or whatever, and just get after it. Just be careful because you will kind of gouge, you know, some of the sheetrock, like right there. That's some of my mistakes that I gouged, but It's not that big of a deal. It can be fixed. It's one good thing about sheetrock. So, anyways, we're gonna finish this up.
Sorry, I about hit you.